Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Subaru Impreza? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard houses key instruments and controls, including the speedometer, fuel gauge, infotainment screen, and warning indicators. The cluster displays key driving info like speed, RPM, and warnings, using digital or analog gauges behind the steering wheel. The LCD in a vehicle displays information such as navigation, media, or vehicle settings, offering clear visuals through a digital screen. The gear selector allows the driver to choose between driving modes such as park, reverse, neutral, and drive. The dual-zone automatic climate control system allows separate temperature settings for the driver and front passenger. The steering wheel controls direction and may include a functional button. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators: seatbelt warning light, rear seatbelt warning light, SRS airbag system warning light, front passengers frontal airbag on, front passengers frontal airbag off, check engine warning light, oil pressure warning light, charge warning light, AT oil temp warning light, engine low oil level, a BS warning light, brake system warning light, electronic parking brake, check brake system, engine hood open, door open warning light, power steering, a WD warning light, vehicle dynamics control, auto vehicle hold on, turn signal indicator lights, vehicle dynamics control off, high beam indicator light, LED headlight warning light, automatic headlight beam, high beam assist, front fog light, steering responsive headlight, security indicator light, access key warning indicator, intelligent mode indicator, sport mode indicator, hill descent control, headlight indicator light, low tire pressure warning, low fuel warning light, auto start stop warning, windshield washer fluid, BSD/RCTA warning, auto start stop no activity, RAB control, BSD/RCTA, driver monitoring system, RAB off indicator, icy road surface, driver monitoring system off, steering responsive headlight, driver monitoring system temporary stop, sonar audible alarm off indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.